How to grant partner access in LinkedIn Ads. First, go to your LinkedIn profile. On the top of the page, click on Advertise section. If you don't have this one, it's okay. You can go to your home page, click for business, and then advertise on LinkedIn. This will take you to the advertising dashboard. Here, select your ad account. And then Business Manager. From the left-hand menu, choose Partner section. Then enter your partner ID and click Add Partner. That's it. You successfully granted partner access in LinkedIn Ads.